So this is Hypercoaster at Land of Legends theme park in Turkey. Definitely my most anticipated coaster in Turkey. Really looking forward to this one. Bright and sunny day. Hopefully it's running fast. You look up, you can see the giant loop we're going through. Here we go. Really excited to see how this compares to the other Mack Hypers. So that's Hypercoaster. Definitely a really, really good ride.
Godverdomme liggen, we zijn nog niet klaar zeker? Of is dit een...
Wel, nee. Dat is het einde.
Holy crappers.
Yeah, so this is down the front, so definitely want to see how it is in the back too.
En die gast zit gewoon te bellen. Oh, we zijn nu. Oké, ik kon hem best aan. Maar ik ga hem niet nog een keer. Als jij hem nog een keer wil doen, dan moet je wegleggen.
I really like how diverse the layout is. It has a mix of hills, inversions. Not all the hills are straight either. They mix up the banking too. So definitely come check out Hypercoaster if you get a chance. Land of Legends.